Hi guys. We have stopped in Udupi to eat the food. I mean breakfast. 10 o'clock. My dad will be happy. At least I'm eating a bit early. Then taking the brunch. So here is Mr. Vishal. Mr. Vishal, what do you have to say about the travel experience in the Indigo flight?
अच्छा है.
बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. But लेकिन ये तो और your comments on the turbulence and everything.
Yeah, when compared to Boeing, Airbus is very waste. We are facing more turbulence in Airbus.
So
That's
what do you say? Where do you next time how will you travel?
एयरबस की मार्केट है.
Boeing.
Boeing.
Yeah.
Is your father the owner of Boeing?
No, not.
He will decide whatever you want to do.
No, your father. Boeing will decide where we'll go. That's all.
So how was the experience?
It's very vast. Yes.
How was the driver, by the way, Robert?
Definitely came.
Fine then. So yeah, we'll take the opinion of others. So Mr. Dharani, what do you have to say about your travel experience?
Amazing. Amazing.
You said you was something you said in the morning. Oh my god. Hey.
At the morning.
Sabudana Kisdi. Yeah, he asked about Sabudana Kisdi. He got the same. This is his reaction. Yeah, that happens.
వాడు పెట్టి వాడు ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అయ్యి క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి నువ్వు.
రకరకాల గురి మాస్టర్. Oh yeah, bro.
ఇది ఆఫ్.
So Mr. Lokesh.
అందుకే
Sir Lokesh.
అలాగా చాలా బటూరే బెస్ట్.
So Mr. Lokesh.
హెచ్చులుగా పోయి సబుదాన కిచిడి కావాలి నీక.
So what do you have to say about your travel experience?
వెరీ కూల్.
This will be there. दो मसाला दो.
ఏ 3 మసాలా దోస.
दोनों ले.